where stealth dominates the skies. A legend returns, not to retire, but to rise again, stronger than ever. Meet the F-15EX Eagle II, Setsu, the newest evolution of a fighter born in the Cold War. Now reborn with cutting-edge technology and a mission to outfight even the most modern jets. You've heard of the F-35 Lightning II, stealthy, digital, and expensive. But what if an old-school warbird could challenge it head-on? The F-15EX is not just an upgrade. It's a complete reimagination fitted with advanced avionics, digital fly-by-wire, and radar systems that rival fifth-generation fighters. Built to carry up to 22 air-to-air missiles, it holds the record for the highest payload of any US fighter. So how does it stack up against the F-35? Stealth? No contest. The F-35 wins in radar evasion. But when the dogfight begins, and stealth is no longer the edge, speed, power, and missile count take over. And this is where the Eagle II spreads its wings. While the F-35 is a one-engine precision striker, the F-15X is a dual-engine war machine built for domination. In 2020, the US Air Force ordered 154 F-15EX units, not to replace the F-35, but to complement it. To lead in missions where stealth is not needed, but overwhelming firepower is. It's faster to produce, easier to maintain, and built on a proven combat platform with over 100 victories and 0 losses in air-to-air combat. This isn't the end of an era, this is its rebirth. The F-15EX Eagle II isn't just surviving the age of stealth, it's thriving in it. Sometimes the past holds the future's sharpest blade, and in the hands of the Eagle II, that blade is ready to strike.